Get app Ronaldo con High Full Malumat English Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, commonly known as Cristiano Ronaldo or CR7, is a Portuguese professional footballer widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time. Here are his full details. Personal information. Full name: Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. Date of birth: February 5, 1985. Place of birth: Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. Nationality: Portuguese. Height: 1.87 meters, 6 feet 2 inches. Weight: 85 kilograms, 187 pounds. Family: father, José Diniz Aveiro, deceased. Mother, Maria Dolores dos Santos Aveiro. Siblings: Hugo Aveiro. Brother, Elma Aveiro. Sister, Katia Aveiro. Sister. Children: Cristiano Ronaldo Jr. Son, born 2010, twins Eva and Mateo. Via surrogacy, born 2017, Alana Martina. Daughter, born 2017, Bella Esmeralda. Daughter, born 2022, deceased. And another child. Name not publicly disclosed. Club career: Sporting CP 2002 to 2003. Started his professional career: Manchester United 2003 to 2009. Won 3 Premier League titles, 1 UEFA Champions League, and his first Ballon d'Or 2008. Real Madrid 2009 to 2018. Became the club's all-time top scorer, 450 goals, won 4 UCL titles, and 4 Ballon d'Or awards. Juventus 2018 to 2021. Won 2 Serie A titles. Returned to Manchester United 2021 to 2022. Scored over 100 Premier League goals. Al Nassr FC 2023. Present. Currently playing in the Saudi Pro League. International career: Portugal debut, August 20th, 2003. Caps: over 200. Most capped player in men's international football. Goals: over 120. All-time top international goal scorer. Major achievements: Euro 2016 winner, UEFA Nations League 2019 winner, 5x FIFA World Cup appearances, 2006, 2010, 2014, 2018, 2022. Individual awards: 5 times Ballon d'Or, 2008, 2013, 2014, 2016, 2017. 4 times European Golden Shoe, FIFA Best Men's Player, UEFA Best Player in Europe, multiple times. Record UEFA Champions League top scorer, 140 plus goals. Business and endorsements: owns CR7 brand, clothing, fragrances, hotels, gyms.